Andrada ena yeba eba be breaking no ha e de mama chairman Wontumi ne lawyer Andy Apia Kubi wa withdraw e de free ne case no abusua na right now ni see a chairman Wontumi ye de nakwa akosi eye nsuo no jeri kwa afesu na otwa no ye de nakwa akosi mfimfina oto na ni hwe na chi a enyeyi ohwe na nim nso a enyeyi lawyer Andy Apia Kubi ne withdraw na or withdraw no esanso e raise eye concerns bibra ama esanso the problem ebre eye lawyer Andy Apia Kubi na abusua eye problem ben sisi anu ye ba be file eye anase ye ba be cite lawyer Andy Apia Kubi for contempt adintia lawyer Andy Apia Kubi eba be gina radio so eba be ka say ono no or withdraw e the free case no publicly abusua HSN is due process na case odi kan fam or de to court nanim ansa na aba betina TV so anase radio so aba be ka sa asem no say or withdraw from chairman Wontumi case na nioma bi wo a ekoso e wo case no ma judges no ene eye lawyers no decisions bi a omo take no ono no one sa judges na adwen enko baako enti no sisi ano eye sa ansem a lawyer Andy Apia Kubi e de betu dwa abusua sisi ano yes site no for contempt abusua eye embranim ni kese a owo Ghana ha bi e de ensem bi ababetu ya mmea ko na yenkonkoti ensema e ko so unsubscribe ya subscribe na hit on the notification bell send be any update bi a drop no so onsa ebetumi akabia ha eye gossip politics TV na answer na ye be ko no Ghana ha say open computer papa anase laptop papa na we use abura eye perosi computers and accessories ho na obenya high quality laptops na we use it say ade ba akwa de wom kra na say okra low budget and as a high budget obema high quality laptop na we use in location enye ira kwan o Kumasi Buo Chrome Estate Eli perosi computers press our number we na friend 0247 030108 and I say 0597 942133 o friend number is 2 na wanya perosi sounds of 0540882824 perosi computers and accessories ho and a laptop papa fie mo me bonra yensem
especially asem can we ya na wo comment on it and then a court for no fee say what court no enmity because you see say ujai na woto obo a wajai no support no share we say be can reason e kire no especially criminal cases in the ujai are very easy the entire is a civil case there Wontumi court case no mo wa bra court ni enimo say wa file nkrata say wona wom eye manso a ankurankura action na mom eye manso a edin that's a republic that is oman and then edition be three months and the lawyer ni Wontumi pom na o tira no wajai no anya ye na ni kan dey partial na ni bi no nyina achi no eye kwada civil case or criminal case no asam yankan wie na ukojina ba bibiara na wo passe comment bia etia judge na fa hudie so titiri ni tumi ana kwan ofa so ye na adwuma no a ene de court wo tumi so cite for contempt
okay
yenta wo tumi cite for contempt na ne se bia wonsem ni bitumi ehunahuna no ebonu hu ema de ka so mo Andy Apia Kubi kana ni bia ni so MPP ni
yeah
ana Wontumi so ye MPP ni yamfa na say asemu we ekokosi MPP time one MPP 40 akonwa so na udi asam na MPP okuku dam te Andy Apia Kubi uso wonje judge ni won trust ni nti wajai case ni kuredi wa bra samre no wo party na wo power wo president na tie akonwa so definitely judge wo ye ni pobobo hu kakra
yeah
nti sanu many binti na case ye wie ya anya so bie tumi ma who comment be especially comment ya just waje court adwuma free nsem say me say asem we be dibem me say be di for enye na momo no ya friend say what you say bibintina asem no Wontumi ento aso ye wo procedure e wo ho ye wo procedure wo ho Wontumi twan ye di asem ni ya wo be ye appeal if it says some le wonje judge ni na wo free mo no nche say judge na sesa na atwene
okay
no nche so sesa na atwene na mama se bia wo beka e bema judge na suro no anya favor dia ma ana obesuro na be mani tirim kura ye de no mo enya se ye kosa ade no
okay
na ne waye megidi se na nka enya se okotena radio so e kasa se bi adwuma kura ye me yetua ye ka no eno kura ye jaya ye ta de bia sementi bia na managing director bi na di weni wo director bi di weni a wo buafu
yeah
and so when the baby obehia na bio nti wo jaya normally you tell you see just two reasons maybe first one can be on personal grounds obi so kata me kwa kotoa ma disua so
ai
and you be your chinebi na bibi na vacancy bi aba na wo pesa wo san ba ho ye hwem ye so oh papa no wan fa bad reason bi ana na leta no kwatro nsem tententen wo mu a next time wo kopa adwuma obabi na director no te panel no so bi ye be ya wo interview nti sa no me so law no so ewom wouldn't da wo be share that same judge no judge no on pension nti are you saying say wo courtroom na wo say owo ha no wo jai wo case no ana what about almost o ma agent say sa judge no o mu nyina ye namfo enti ho kakra ne de say no press o kotina radio so e kan so on judge ni bia yan ye dwuma na ma ho kwan sa because your term be law may say there is nothing like judicial infallibility. The being what just a judge and on so nipa and she want to men from no former your choir ye de efaso kojina public ne and cancer a begu judge no one must a good anymore say good the whole judiciary anymore say to say what you baba kwatem what you ask o ma atem
Uchan Contempt so my self wire there is this poster of the MPP about Ora. Yes, I see. The whole idea was to demoralize the Attorney General. Na Oma say anything. Na Oma yet to say the Ora in but Edua Numra, Omokwada Wontumi na because they know what they are going through. A typical example, former health minister Kwakwadi Mamenu. Okay, so Kojina Bono baby Kokan say NDC for say yeba yebechi no enso on na mo ehwe nye dey no before so Kojina Hoka asem a week before no obi na ye patrol say ye money bill.
Can you imagine?
Because of investigations and na ye koso ewo because of Ora. The same strategy in MPP for the one say ne one MPP social media they are all now blaming Apiakubi. Suddenly Apiakubi nye lawyer bi monye onyade na me mani age na ene na me read piece be from the wall of Miami Nua Bema Kwasibotwi Esquire ono so obo adwuma yie pa ma MPP ene oposti ade 2 hours ago say plea bargaining so what to say Wontumi case on exam there or say woman ensaso enti Attorney General Eman ho kwan no nye plea na sabe menye lawyer me call law school enti Kwasibotwi no oye lawyer no cheche mu plea bargaining no how is it ti me read the post or say plea bargaining under Ghana's Act 1079 2022 is a statutory process where an accused person and the AG negotiate an agreement before the judgment is delivered. Enti the pana ya bono kwedu no. Oyala la sulala cap in hand e patrol. Kotojogu form. Ensa dansa yem patrol say they all kano.
Bebi ya
keka kono hotu. Minim se mi difo enti brane enka ne dem. Na sika ya se me obi ya na me dey mitua na dey say e bia me punishment be for bia o dey ama me. Me video say it allows the accused to voluntarily plead guilty in exchange for concessions or favors such as reduced charges, withdrawal of some accounts, or a lighter sentence or punishment. It allows the accused to voluntarily plead guilty and to be cast or your plea bargainer. Why then? Or say the main consequence of a plea bargain is that the accused waives the right to a full trial. Or say so try the main consequence of a plea bargain is that the accused waives the right to a full trial and admit, I will be antony, and admit criminal responsibility, after which the court may convict and impose the agreed or lawful sentence. A chasa wajia to so differ. Na punishment be also called in the man no. Or you to say called the man about sre. Say 10 years
Manchester.
Yanya no 5 years.
Alabraka.
Say 30 million yanya no 10 million. No, say in essence, it is a voluntary admission and acceptance of guilt in return for a more lenient consideration of punishment or sentence. In layman's terms, just yeah, you need legal knowledge. Plea bargain is like admitting your offense, asking for forgiveness, and negotiating for a softer punishment from the accusers. What it means is that, Senior Bobby, there are two things I see from here. Number one, in someone, now President Mahama and penny for air can opposition, say a bimu afa akwanya yedia momo as politicians and members belonging to a ruling party. Afa kwan bisu edi dream. Abo mainika. Ewi o mainisika. San someone na ye kan opposition ni na no kra den ewum. That is what this means. And number two, and someone na Ghana for nyina kan na Ghana for wogidie corruption perception index and e ho keka hu na say MPP amanyoko no under President Kufuor Dr. Bawumia. There was a free for all enterprise to steal, to loot, and to destroy the states. And it's someone na Ghana for GD na Ghana for war atinka na omo say MPP amanyoko no a criminal enterprise. Sa atinka no e no correct. Because if you are about to begin a trial, now wow, a week or 2 weeks after you file the charges, no one can say what the letter about just what you have to boni be a person the enter so. It means that someone here can deny them. Now, my for Akwenya so embo Attorney General Basso.
Sir, you know your Exim Bank.
Yes.
Into
some boy at the end of the 3rd June,
July.
3rd July, and a judgment beba. In fact, what I'm happy about, and I know a lot of people would disagree, but me, because of where I sit, I agree because I know what was going on. Sir Attorney General and then a deputy, Omar Bojuma. In all the high profile cases, a course between 2017 and 2024, we all saw how long it took 8 years. Moment to substantiate any claim.
Nothing.
Now, in only a space of 1 year and few months, the prosecution led by Dr. Ine and the deputy, Dr. Justice Rimsai, have been able to adduce significant evidence to show a court.
That's a fact.
Say they have a case, or Wontumi has a case to answer, to a point where when Wontumi lawyers decided to file for a submission of no case, the court told them that in fact there's a question to answer, so they should proceed with their defense. Until some confess our witnesses.
Because
2x4
was watertight.
Yeah, very water. Correct cases. And to back an Attorney General, they be some more can say he will not rush to court and go and lose a case. Case be albums Attorney General we DH. It is a case he and his deputy and all the other stakeholders have thought about, gotten the necessary documentations and evidences to defend or to suggest say indeed they did wrong. Intermediate, this is my preliminary comments on it. We'll do further engagements. Say information from Bia or and what say of course we are always ready to come here. But what the people of Ghana must know, I also Ghana 42 Germany say MPP Abai of President Kufuor was the worst government ever. Was the most terrible government Ghana ever had. Na saa ban no ma ekwan ama nkofo fa amanyoku omode omhodon MPP no edidi boni pii o Ghana. And there are many of these cases, and one by one, all of them, their feet will be held to the fire of accountability. Any justice be also Ghana for in terms of monetary justice, jail justice, bibia omonsa ebeka.
Na Says a doctor, with what you just read from Kwesiboche's wall, it implies even a bigger one kose or kose say obituary scan and obituary. It can also be say or kose say anti jail terms na so.
But the information about one thing they say ono no trade your person in the case.
I see.
That is what
you
the publications in a babon in a mami. But this is not the first time a babon. Te obe kayata man Attorney General here press conferences. Oka try long ago say in one of Wontumi's cases no. Only the lawyers ababe hu na najo. Say omo pese omo ye plea back. Na Attorney General catch omo say there be omo court omo go there. Omo catch omo. And so this is asamwa e wo order that say nyinsan. Oya den e be den e be pie. And then the chicken have come home to roost. Now I am happy about this. This is the clearest confirmation. Since someone here come about ora ni na MPP for keka say ora anya adwuma ni na. Edu anopa no mo say ora anya adwuma. Edu anajo anoma ko hu Attorney General no mo su say osre omo sre na onja omo. So really this is what I'm happy about it. And then mejidi ye pa say Ghana for GD a omo wo President Mahama say ye bet me I recover all the loot I can wasem no. That confidence no any GDL President Mahama has been rekindled.
Only say media na always me social media pa. Na if you are not pay how much be 5:30 ba no a. Oza asem no ejimunra enwumre ni PPA. If you are matching but no because this social media for no I say bosomi ye twi obi aka $100 million. Obi aka street ni am say
say easy.
E di mo say ho.
Yes sir.
Wo asem e bisa say tu ho.
So that is what it is. One say one of the main campaign messages was ora say ebi mo ma fa Ghana for sika. I was say ye dey omofa emra kwan so. Na this news no good news for Ghana for nya this for now nim say me ba no onu so originally na we cry nka topics no hu
okay
me ba no be Sunday me said massa ade SCD say e ka ho asem because good news for Ghana say nya because nipa no cry oye MPP ni but says can ke betimi akosi check up
obi ma information says here about 10 minutes ago and the appeal could be say a contempt mining case no you know so I withdraw ne ho afi
case and I say empanyfo say so akonya boa
so ayo
say we infra mabone a ugina bre ne hefa nipa na o defend o ne say we ja wo chidia say obia entimi nkyere I obia should know say
kaya aba
kaya dey aba
so we'll come back to you so quick one on Wontumi
of my menchia production team na menchia minia same same for next year ya na Bobby for Bobby for no mania apotre ofa
minia
yes say ya wade nyina ho kwane so nyina ne fatai sabo bia bedi waduane a ya na enye ya se kwakua ne nsa hia sekan se Ghana ni bia be bone amed na kugina court no plead for Bagania amia accept ya na enye Wontumi
and enye Wontumi
de din kan sa plead ba
okay abusuya we ne ensma ekoso e political highway so lawyer Andy Apiakubi na isi an ono so no ensem bebre e boboba e woni side enye asem ketwa kra. There is much interesting moment ahead. Click on your notification bell so send be any update be drop no so onsa e to me akabi medamase.